Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. Guys, I am like crazy hyper right now. I think I had a little too much coffee this morning, and yeah, my brain is a little crazy. Today's video is going to be a test review, first impressions, a try on, a little bit of everything. Honestly, I have so much makeup in front of me. I wish you guys could like actually visually see it. But just as an example, we have so many freaking eyeshadow palettes, like ridiculously too much. You guys know I don't complain about makeup, and not that I'm complaining, but yeah, we have so much makeup. I don't know where to start. We have another box here full of makeup, so I kind of been hoarding this. Finally got all the makeup that I needed to receive either from a PR or from my personal purchases, and I was like, you know what, I want to do my makeup. I am in the mood, like I'm feeling cute, my hair looks cute, my outfit is cute, and I want to look cute too. So I'm gonna test all this PR makeup that I buy for no reason, and we're gonna get glam together, you guys. I don't know what palette I'm going to use. Nothing. I have no idea what I'm doing today. So if you guys want to get ready with me, y'all already know, I'll grab your hot Cheetos, grab your limon, or whatever chips you guys eat, and let's go ahead and get started with this video. We are going to get started. I am going to take these little clips that I actually bought Amazon. I always say how I'm addicted to Amazon, and I really am. I actually got a set of like 3, and it came with a bunch of them. I've been wanting some of these just to pull my hair back. Sometimes if I wear headbands, they tend to leave a little dent on my hair, and these are not supposed to do that. So yeah, Amazon. I actually do not have a primer to try out. At least I don't think I do. Nope, no primer. So with that said, I am going to take my own. I'm feeling a little bougie today, so I'm going to take my YSL Touch Eclait Blur Primer. I haven't used this in so long. Like, I hope it's still good. For foundations, I'm not sure which one I want to use. I have here the brand new Kokie Cosmetic foundations. These are their full coverage foundation, and these say made in Italy. Really quick. The packaging is really cute, very like bougie, very luxurious. It's a glass bottle, and then it has this beautiful golden top. I have the shade 60W, 70W. These were sent to me in PR. And I also have here the Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Longwear Foundation and Concealer, which is this one. I think I'm going to go in with this one. I don't know. I've been waiting to try this for like 2 weeks now. My shade is MG6. Grabbing my little face chart from LA Girl. I cannot tell you how much I love this little face chart. It is so helpful, not only for me, also when I do client makeup. It's really helpful to mix foundations or mix concealers, because it's happened to me a few times. Oh my god, I think I applied too much. Oh my god, I think I applied too much. Foundation is definitely a little too light for me right now. I think this might be a good winter shade for me. So I am going to have to pack on the bronzer because I hate my foundation looking lighter. I'm okay with my foundation looking darker than my skin, but when it looks lighter, it's like, oh my god, it throws me off. Is that only me, or do you guys agree? Do you prefer to be lighter or darker as far as your foundation goes? Obviously, this foundation is like crazy full coverage. Oh my god. I did not know that this was going to be like boom, full coverage like that. Like, she wasn't ready. I also don't have any concealer, so I am just going to take a little bit of this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C7. Now I'm going to do a little bit of baking with my banana powder by Wet n Wild. This one is under $5, guys, and it's so good. I really like the way that it sets the skin. It doesn't over dry it. It's not too drying. I'm not going to be setting the foundation because literally I feel like it is so full coverage that it really doesn't need it. But I am going to take a little bit more of the powder, and I am just going to go underneath here, under the contour. Taking my favorite products of the month of July, which is my Cover FX Monochromatic Bronzer Duo. This is literally the best high-end bronzers that I've tried in a while. I just really like it. So guys, remember that I told you that my mom was coming for one of our cousins' quinceañeras? Can you guys believe time is here? She will be here this month of August. And we are all so excited to have her back. If you guys are new and have no idea what's going on, my mom lives in Mexico, and she has lived in Mexico for the past probably 10 years. And me and my sister, my older sister, have lived here for, yeah, about 11 years in Utah. And my youngest sister finally moved with us about 3 years ago. So my mom now comes and visits us, and it's so much fun, you know, because she had not, it had been a while since she came here, and, you know, we got her visa, we got everything fixed for her so she can come and not only see us, but see her granddaughters. But yeah, we should have her before the end of the month, and then our cousin's quinceañera will be in September, so she will be here for a month. I'm thinking of doing like a makeover on her. Would you guys be interested in seeing that? My mom speaks very little English, so we would either have to do subtitles or something so you guys can follow along. But I think it would be so much fun to like give her a makeover on my channel, because she doesn't wear much makeup, or any at all really. Bronzer is done, and I think the skin looks a little bit better. I really like how this foundation is looking, you guys, but we are going to see how long it wears as well. All the info, all the updates, check that description box down below. I think we should move on to eyes really quickly. I'm just going to show you guys all the palettes that I have here, okay? So this is a brand new palette by C Color Cosmetics. This is the Fairy Tale 18 color eyeshadow palette, and it looks like this. This is one of my favorite like online brands that I have discovered. Like, their quality is so good for the price, and it's made in the USA. So they sent me this in PR. I also have here the new Alter Ego Daydream palette. Oh my god, my nail just fell. We're just gonna ignore that. This is the new Alter Ego palette. Isn't this so beautiful? It really reminds me of the Huda Beauty. I have here the Flocking Fabulous Live Glam eyeshadow palette, and I mean, hello, if this doesn't describe me in one palette, I don't know what does. Yummy, colorful colors and browns. Yes, here we have L.A Colors, their new eyeshadow palettes. I think I'm going to save these to do a drugstore makeup look. I also have here the Kylie Jenner eyeshadows. These I ordered them myself. This is another new palette by C Color Cosmetics, super pretty. And then I have the new ColourPop Orange You Glad. I just totally butchered that. This is the new palette that they released. Oh my god, I want to use this so bad. But I think I'm going to save that also for maybe Monday. I don't know. I really want to use the Kylie Jenner eyeshadow thing. This, I paid for it myself. I spent almost $200 on these damn eyeshadows. Yes, so that I got them on the 4th of July sale. Like, I am such a penny pincher when it comes to like really expensive makeup. I'm like, no. But I really have been wanting to try her eyeshadow palettes, or her eyeshadows in general. And I figured that the best way would be to do it with me picking out the colors that I personally like. So yeah, we're going to use this today. I'm going to go in with the Pat McGrath Trio Highlighter, and I'm going to take the bronzy shade, which is this one right here. It actually just broke on me. It fell. And I'm going to mix a little bit of that golden shade, the one in the middle. There we go, to give me more of a golden highlight. This brush is amazing, you guys. If you want an intense highlighter, look no further. I'm sitting here and I'm like, why did I choose so many random colors? Now I have no idea what look I want to create. These are all, like I said, handpicked by me. So I don't know. We'll see what we come up with. I don't know what I'm going to do, you guys. I'm just going to go for it and hope for the best. The first shade that I'm going to take is Need a Tan, which is this really pretty deep orange. And I'm just going to tilt my head back and literally just going to go in here. Ooh, these are pigmented. I'm going to take a little bit of Tequila Tangerine. It's just a lighter peach. It's almost like the color of my shirt, but a little bit more peach. And I'm just going to take that right here. Ooh, that's really pretty. That is a little bit powdery though. I can see like powder just like whoo, flying away. But this color is absolutely gorgeous. If you are a light skin little biscuit, this shade is going to look so beautiful on your skin. I'm afraid that if you're any darker than me, this might look a little like chalky on you because it is such a light color. I'm going to take the shade Poor Decisions. Do you guys see how it's a little like reflective? I'm kind of nervous to put this like into the crease, but we're going to try it. So why not? Oh my god, that is really glittery, but that is really gorgeous. Oh my god. This is such a stunning color. Oh my god, I cannot get over how gorgeous it is. You can definitely see the little flecks, a little glitter, but they're not too obvious where like you can't put this into your crease, you know? Just like that. For my eyes, I don't know if I want to use any more colors on my Kylie palettes. I have these pigments that I want to use. These are like loose glitter pigments, and honestly, they just look so beautiful. They don't have any names, and I will have the name of the brand listed down below because I really don't remember. They came from the UK. I ordered them, and I saw them online, and they just looked amazing. So we have this beautiful like golden one. This one's more of an off-white gold. And then I also have this really pretty copper one. I think this is actually the one that I'm going to use. I do need some glitter glue for this, so let me just grab that really quick. I personally do like to cut my crease, even if I'm just going to go with a glitter all over my eyes, just because I have slightly hooded eyes, and if I don't apply the concealer or the eyeshadow where it goes, like it tends to transfer. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that so you guys know that this is like nothing new, you know. I'm actually going to set the lid with this shade right here, the one that we used earlier. I don't know why, but I just feel like it'll look better, and then I don't know if I want to take like that pretty glitter all over the eyes. So let's do that. And then make sure you go back and blend the edges. I'm going to do this actually before I go in with this glitter liquid eyeshadow, loose eyeshadow situation, because I don't want it falling all over the skin. What I did, I actually took a little bit of this Graftobian Magic Set Mixing and Lining liquid thing, and I'm just going to mix that, and we're just going to pat that right into the eyes. This is so stunning, you guys. You're going to be shook. I kind of like this. So what do you guys think? I'm just going to go back and reinforce a little bit of that peach color on the lid, but I think we're just going to leave the eyes as is. Cute. I actually really like this look. Okay, so for eyes, I actually have a few different colors. I got this very generous package from L.A Colors, and they sent me over their new eyebrow pencils, which I should have reviewed, but I totally forgot. And then they also sent some of their new like eyeliners, and these are so pretty. I think I'm gonna go in with the brown. Okay, pigment. I like. All I'm going to do now is reapply the same colors on the bottom lash line. So I do have a few pair of lashes that I wanted to show you guys. So I was sent a bunch of lashes by the brand Lashes by Dev. So here is one of the styles. These are called Lily, Mary Jane, Kylie, Giselle. I think I'm gonna use these. I'm gonna put them to the side. Then we have Chantel, Luna, and then these are super dramatic. These are in the style Delilah, which these are totally up my alley, but I really want to switch it up. I also have here these by these are the Extension Seeker by the brand Salon Perfect. But again, these are drugstore, so I think I'm going to save all the drugstore makeup that I have and to just do a video for you guys for Makeup Monday. How does that sound? Sounds fun, right? Right? Okay, cool. Lashes are on. These are actually really cute. They're really small. Not a fan of the band, though it is a little bit thick for like my personal taste. But for lips, I have these and I wanted to save them for Monday's video, but whatever. I got sent these in PR by Rimmel London. Thank you so much. They released some new shades. Oh, from their lipsticks. See, there I go, dropping stuff again. So we're gonna see what we apply on the lips today. I'm just feeling a little peachy brown moment right now. I'm going to take the Rimmel London 720 Snatched lipstick. Oh, if I can open it. Let's see if it looks good with this look, because it might be a little too dark. Oh my god, these are so creamy. Wow, these are crazy pigmented and creamy. I think I'm going to go in with this lip gloss. This is Down to Gloss. I'm just going to set everything with my makeup setting spray. This is the Bella Jade Botanicals. And here it is, you guys. This is the final look, testing out a little bit of PR makeup, a little bit of makeup that I've bought myself, and just overall products that I've been hoarding for a long time. A little bit of high-end, a little bit of drugstore. Make sure you are subscribed and turn on your little notification bell, because Monday we are testing the Kokie foundation, and we're also testing out some other drugstore makeup that is very very new. So make sure you stay tuned. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. Be safe, and I will see you on Monday. Mwah. Bye.